Hi, it's September 11th, 2022. I know it's a big day in the United States for a horrible history, and it's also my friend Jennifer's birthday. And she is 68 today, and for her birthday, I've known her for over 60 years, it seems like. 50-some years, anyway. I am making this video. So, I don't know if you know about the Library of Congress, but there's a lot of free stuff here available for anybody. And they have all the stuff you can click on. But that's not what I want to go to, is one specific thing about the Library of Congress, which I'm going to show you here, is this Citizen DJ. So there's thousands of sound recordings added to the DJ in 2022, and they talk about here, under the Music Modernization Act of 2018, in the bill, all sound recordings published before January 1st, 1923 entered the public domain on January 1st, 2022. That means thousands of sound recordings from the Library of Congress are now free to use and reuse. So, and then they talk about recordings made after that date. So this is really, they have different album covers here from the records from the National Jukebox Collection. There's much more than just what it looks like there. And then you can go down, and they talk about what was added in 2022. And then we'll just keep going down here. Remix the new collections. So you can do all this stuff with it. So this is kind of bizarre looking. It looks like something out of the movie The Matrix. But let's just go into the blues here for a minute. Explore. And you can find stuff and then download it onto your own device. So we have to wait for it to load. It may take some time for slower internet connections. Mine is a slow one, as you can see. So drag your cursor to browse sounds. And like when I'm just moving my mouse. So let me just show you a little part. I just click here. So that, who can hear that, right? So let's play it in context.
I cut my coat, but now they dug deep in my soul.
And this is the name of it.
I've got the blues, I've got the blues, I've got the alcoholic blues.
This is the.
My heart to cheer.
This is who's singing it. The Alcoholic Blues. Okay, let's go to another one. Just to show you. So you only get a little piece like that, but then you can play it in context. And right away the title changes at the bottom. The Morning Blues. Okay, I'm going to stop it. Isn't that fun? So let's go back. Let's see. Oh no. I wanna show you some of the other music. So blues, jazz, folk music, opera, musical theater, classical music, and popular music. Those are the 5 categories. And this is all a project by Brian Foo as part of the 2020 Innovator in Residence program at the Library of Congress. Citizen DJ logo is a derivative work based on Keep Your Teeth Clean, federal art project between 1936 and 1938. So let's try some music theater. Let's explore that. So we have to wait for it to download. I'm going to expand my computer here a little. I think it's really bizarre how it looks behind here with these digital pictures. And I'm sure there's a way that I could get closer and see what it actually looks like, because I can make it farther away, and this is oops, that's huge. This collection, see how big that is? Okay, let's just click somewhere and play in context. Rackety Coo. Okay, let's remix this. No, I don't want to do that. Let's try another one. Play in context. You're a grand old flag. Oh, that was popular when I was young. Play in context.
Melody untiring, ain't that inspiring?
Oh, it's not very long compared to the other ones that we were listening to. Let's try one more. Play in context. Oh, they're shorter than the other one. So, but you can download the whole song, is what it's saying on here. Let's try folk music, just no particular reason. So I find things like this incredible. There's all sorts of books that you can read in the Library of Congress. There's all sorts of stuff. It's just amazing to me that this is available to the public. So, how come that looks like that? Oh, explore. Okay, so let's just click on something. Home Sweet Home. Let's play in context. Okay, I'm just surprised that is considered folk music. So I learned something. And then they have the composer and who's doing the song down here at the bottom. Let's try one more. Oops. Oh, we want to keep all this and don't show that again. That pops up when I'm using this screen recorder. Okay, so let's play in context. Lawn them bunches. So it's no singer. Okay, let's try. I wonder why they're different colors. George Watson singing that, yodeling. That was kind of cool. I haven't pushed this button, view on local. I haven't done that. I don't know what the filters are. I'm sure if you like this kind of stuff, you might want to just play around and see what you find. I mean, technically, I'm retired now. This is actually starting my second month of retirement, and I could spend hours messing around with this stuff if I wanted to. And it's free for you to... Let's go... Oh. It's free for you to download and use. So here they go into a little bit more explanations. So the selected works come from the collections of the Library of Congress and span a variety of genres from classical and opera to early jazz and blues, humorous songs, spoken word, and even some yodeling. Now, I know in some of the Library of Congress there are some pictures and along with videos and music from the indigenous peoples of America, and I don't know if there are from other peoples around the world, but the Library of Congress is an amazing source of information. So, let's see what happens if I click on this just out of curiosity. So I clicked on the albums part. And you can see it showing up here. Oh, so you can see that. You can see the records. So then you can actually read them. Audio recording. What happens if I click on that? Okay. Oops, there's other people in my house right now.
Tiger Flow, sung by Arthur Collins, Columbia Record. The rhyme by moonlight for beauty.
Okay, so that was very, very interesting. These album covers are amazing to me too. That we can see, we can see all this stuff. Just incredible for anybody that's curious about any of this stuff. What happens if I click on one? Writers Morgenlied, German folk tune. Oh, let's hear it.
Morgenlied, gesungen von Emil Münz, Columbia Record.
It's a poor recording. I can turn it up a little. Oh, here we go. The title. Who's singing? The recording label. Recording date 12/31/1901 in New York. Isn't that incredible? And then you can click on any of these links too to find out more information. Okay. I hope you have a lot of fun with this. Let's go back to this for a minute. This is really a really special gift to all of us if you want to mess around with any of this. I would say save the link and enjoy yourself. All right, I'm grateful for you, and I'm here at your service, and happy birthday, Jennifer.